Jordan brand has officially introduced the Air Jordan 40, unveiling it in New York City as part of its 40th anniversary celebration. The model blends futuristic performance tech with subtle design callbacks to classic Jordans, including a speckled heel reminiscent of the AJ3, a tongue nodding to the AJ5, and reflective elements referencing the AJ13. The launch colorway, the classic in white and black, will be followed by the bold blue suede edition, showcasing the brand's intent to experiment with materials across 9 upcoming styles. The AJ40 features full-length ZoomX and Zoom Strobel cushioning for elite responsiveness, a 360-degree containment webbing system, and an outsole with 40-degree angle cutouts for strong traction. Though it doesn't directly borrow from past models, the AJ40 carries their spirit with modern innovation. The blue suede Air Jordan 40 releases on August 20th and retails for $205.